How am I going from a creative idea to the creative product? So here is the problem: you're wasting your creative potential. That's why I decided to create a specific system that now serves me to maximize my productivity and, what is the most important, my creative output. You will get access to that system today in a few minutes. Okay. So here is the problem. You are a very creative person with many brilliant ideas, but you're stuck in procrastination and you're wasting all of your ideas and you're wasting your creative potential. I often felt like this. And do you, just like me, often feel like your brain is a treasure trove with so many ideas, but then all the ideas and all tools and techniques you can use, all possibilities, just make you feel overwhelmed? So you leave your ideas somewhere in your notebooks or some corner in your head. As creators, we often face this challenge, having tons of ideas and inspiration, but struggling to turn them into action. And I faced this challenge so many times, and the reason is really not important. Sometimes I cannot organize all of my thoughts. Sometimes kids are so loud that I cannot hear my thoughts. Sometimes there is a self-doubt. The reason is really not important. But the fact is that when I realize that I am wasting my potential, that I can produce so many good and creative things, that I feel a need to produce them, but somewhere I stuck between the beginning of the idea and those steps and process where I actually turn my idea into action and create something that I imagine. Because it's really disturbing when you realize how many beautiful and creative things you are able to produce and to create, but there is something on your way. And that feeling that I am wasting my creative potential made me feel truly anxious, bad. That's why I decided to create a specific system that now serves me to maximize my productivity and, what is the most important, my creative output. Because it's really not a problem to be creative. If you are creative, you are creative. The ideas will come alive in your head. You will connect so many dots. You will have the brilliant vision of what you would like to create. But if you don't have a specific system and actual steps how you are going to achieve that, you will probably waste your potential. And there is something contradictory here, if you can notice. Creativity is not something that we can put in a specific box or specific system. You know, creativity is a freedom of thoughts and ideas and something that is spontaneous. But if you want to really create something specifically out of your ideas, you, at least I need a system. I notice that I really need a system, specific steps, specific habits, hacks, specific system and path. How am I going from a creative idea to the creative product at the end? Whatever is your product. Is it a book? Is it a video? Is it art? Is it online course? No matter what is it. If you have a structure, you will not waste your potential so much and you will be able to produce more creative things. So I created such system and you will get access to that system today in a few minutes. So imagine having a set of habits and hacks specifically designed for creative mind like yours. Think of it as a toolkit to turn the chaotic mix of ideas into a well-organized machine. This means unlocking your full creative potential and skyrocketing your productivity. And that's exactly what my new Skillshare class is all about. Top productivity habits and hacks for creative creators. A roadmap to elevate your creativity output. And you can join for free. Don't worry, if you don't have a premium Skillshare account, with the link in the description of this video, you will get 30 days free of premium membership. So you'll be able to watch this class and all of my other classes, and of course all classes on Skillshare, no matter whether they are free or premium. So don't waste this opportunity to never waste your creative potential again. So now I will play the introduction video from the class so you can see everything that is in class, everything that you will be learning, all the topics that I included, and all the tools and the techniques you will get during this class. So it's really interactive class. You have the workbook, you have everything you need to really learn about this productivity system for creatives and to apply it. Hello everyone, and welcome to the first lesson of this class, Introduction to Boosting Creativity, Understanding Productivity Challenges Faced by Creatives. So welcome to the first lesson of our class on boosting creativity through productivity habits and hacks. In this lesson, we will delve into the fundamental aspects of productivity and explore the unique challenges faced by creatives like myself and yourself. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards finding effective solutions and unleashing your creative potential. Creativity is a wonderful and dynamic process, but it can also be followed by hurdles that hinder productivity. As a creative professional, you might find yourself struggling with procrastination, distractions, self-doubt, or difficulty managing time effectively. These challenges can significantly impact your ability to generate ideas, complete projects, and maintain a consistent creative flow. So in this lesson, we will define productivity in the context of creative work. We'll explore how productivity is not just about checking off tasks, but also about optimizing your creative output and achieving your goals. We will discuss common productivity challenges faced by creatives, so we'll dive into the specific obstacles that often arise in the creative realm and how they can hamper your productivity. We will explore the interplay between productivity and creativity. We'll examine the relationship between productivity and the generation of innovative ideas and how a balanced approach can enhance both aspects. By gaining a deeper understanding of the productivity challenges faced by creatives, you'll be better equipped to tackle them head-on and create an environment that fosters your creativity. So, let's start. Defining productivity in the context of creative work. Productivity is often associated with efficiency and accomplishing tasks, but for creatives, it encompasses much more. In the creative realm, productivity can be defined as the ability to generate high-quality work consistently, manage time effectively, and maintain a healthy balance between productivity and creativity. As a creative professional, your productivity extends beyond more outputs, and it involves the cultivation of ideas, the exploration of possibilities, and the execution of your artistic vision. By understanding that productivity is not just about checking off tasks, but also about optimizing your creative output and achieving your goals, you can adopt a holistic approach that aligns with your creative process. Let's talk about common productivity challenges faced by creatives. Creatives often encounter unique challenges that can impede their productivity.
Some of the common obstacles include procrastination. Creative work requires inspiration, and it's easy to fall into the trap of waiting for the perfect moment. Then procrastination can lead to missed deadlines and decrease in overall productivity. Next, distractions. In the age of constant connectivity, distractions can be a significant hindrance to creative focus. Social media, emails, and other interrupters can disrupt your workflow and make it challenging to immerse yourself fully in your creative process. Self-doubt. The vulnerability inherent in creative work can sometimes lead to self-doubt and perfectionism. These inner critics can paralyze your progress and hinder your ability to produce and share your work confidently. Time management. Creatives often juggle multiple projects and deadlines, making effective time management crucial. Without proper planning and prioritization, time can easily slip away, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and unable to meet your creative goals. Now let's talk about interplay between productivity and creativity. Contrary to popular beliefs, productivity and creativity are not opposite forces. In fact, they are deeply intertwined and can fuel each other. So by understanding and optimizing the relationship between productivity and creativity, you can enhance your productive and creative output. A productive mindset and structured approach can create the space and freedom needed for your creative ideas to flourish. Balancing productivity and creativity involves recognizing that productivity is a means to support and enable your creative process rather than stifling it. It's about finding strategies and habits that empower you to work efficiently and make the most of your creative potential. By acknowledging the unique challenges faced by creatives and embracing a productive mindset, you can overcome obstacles, manage your time effectively, and unlock a higher level of creative output.
I waited, so how do you like this introduction video? If you like it and if you are interested in learning more and watching the whole class, there is a link below the video you can join right away. I would really love to see you as my student on Skillshare. Please let me know in the comments what are your struggles with productivity, with creativity, what is your creative process, when you thrive, when you are stuck, and how do you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you very soon.